Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to give you my 5 must buy altcoins for the end of 2024. So we're going to be going over 5 alts, so 5 projects that are not Bitcoin that I think are going to do very well. So guys, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a moose, so keep that in mind. But we saw not long ago, this happened today, in fact. Today we're Tuesday, October 29th of 2024. We're around 8 days before US elections. And that's going to play a big pivotal role for the price of Bitcoin for sure. So we'll see what happens there. But ultimately, I think we're going to get to crazy levels here soon. And assuming that happens, we are going to see alts run. So typically Bitcoin just does its own thing, goes nuts, and then alts follow. Before I get into my alt picks, I think Ethereum is a good pick. This is going to be an $8,000, $10,000 token, but I've got more exciting stuff to show you. Number 1, we have to talk about Cardano. Cardano has yet to see a price pump in quite a while. So taking a look on the year, it's up 21%. And, you know, it got up for a little bit, went back down. But guys, in the past couple years, Cardano has made massive strides. We have seen the implementation of smart contracts. We now have interoperability with Bitcoin using UTXOs. So that will be a separate video that was just announced. What else we got? We got Midnight as a partner chain. So we got privacy elements to a partner blockchain. We've got a lot going on with Cardano. And it's my opinion that ADA is going to do well. With ADA, you can easily stake. You can get into initial stake pool offerings, also referred to as ISPOs. There's so much going on here. And it's my opinion that ADA is going to get probably to $8 to $10. That's next summer, 2025. It's a price prediction, so we don't know for sure. Guys, it's my opinion that ADA is going to be one of the best layer 1 performers. And really, just technologically, it's got a lot going on for it. So in the next one here, a lot of people maybe don't like this project, but I don't care. Solana. Why do I like Solana? And again, we're talking about number go up. We're talking about projects that are going to do well. Solana has similar vibes to Ethereum, but it's a lot faster and the price is just cheaper right now. So I think psychologically, it's a good opportunity. And guys, take a look at this on the year. Similar to what we just saw with Bitcoin, I think Solana is about to break out. So again, this is October 29th, 2024. Look at this pattern. If that's not bullish, I don't know what is. So if we go to the upside, if we go past $202, and let's say we get to $210, this thing's going to go to all-time highs. That's my opinion. So it looks like it's about to break out. We don't know for sure, but this is looking bullish. That's a bullish flag. And ultimately, Solana is fast. It is cheap. You can pick up a lot of memes, and memes play a big role in cryptos, especially in 2024. Ultimately, I just think it's just going to do well. A lot of VC money, a lot of YouTubers talking about it. So that's my reason there. So the next one we're going to talk about is going to be Meld. So Meld, I will perhaps share with you the website, but Meld is a new layer 1. I got into the ISPO. Guys, this is one of those projects that could 100x. I know people talk about all the time, here's the next 100x, blah, 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 blah. This project, we're just so early on. And with this project, it just keeps growing. It gets better. I'm more reassured than ever before. And ultimately, the price is so cheap right now. Look at the year. It's been stagnant, which is great. But guys, all time, by the way, the price of this token was really maybe 3 cents max. After the ISPO, the price dumped. So basically you could stake ADA, and then instead of earning the ADA rewards per epoch, you would be earning Meld. So once people got their initial tokens from the ISPO, they dumped. But ultimately, this project, really, it's been 3 cents to a penny. It's been fluctuating around there. And the circulating supply, I believe most of it is already out there. So the market cap being at 48 million where it's at, this thing could go nuts. So by the way, Meld is a layer 1. So similar to Solana in Cardano, this is a layer 1. So you can build apps on top of Meld. You can leverage the security, decentralization. They actually have a node sale going on right now. But ultimately, with Meld, they are a non-custodial DeFi protocol. So they support Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. And guys, this project is amazing and it's fast. So taking a look at the Meld app, basically you're going to have an all-in-one app and it's also mobile. And guys, there's just so much going on here. So I've done tons of videos on the channel. If you guys want, type in Meld, check out my most recent videos. This is a project that I'm passionate about because I've been watching it grow. I've been watching the team successfully roll out different implementations throughout the months and years. There are secret projects coming out. So if you get in now, along with their Meld airdrop that's going to be coming out, there's massive opportunity here. So to give you a quick look, we'll log into my account. What I like most about Meld is that I can connect my Trezor Model T to the desktop app. And with it being non-custodial already, I can bring in another non-custodial wallet with an added layer of security in hardware wallets, and I can sign my transactions. So the fees are very cheap and it looks incredible. So they offer staking. Once more pools open, I will share that with you. Right now they're closed. It is a new project, so be patient. But what's cool is that their supply and borrow recently was announced. So if you hold USDT or USDC on the Meld blockchain, I've got tutorials for you on that. You can provide your assets so you can supply and then you could borrow against them. So let's say you make a 25, 50, 100, 100,000x. Then what you can do is instead of having a taxable event, you can then supply your crypto and you can borrow against it. So that's going to be really cool and it's going to be very interesting down the road. But all in all, this project is phenomenal. All right, so the next one is Cornucopias, also referred to as COPI. That's the ticker. And this project is phenomenal. So it is not chain agnostic. So similar to Meld, it supports different blockchains. And with Cornucopias, you are getting exposure to metaverse / gaming. So let's take a look at the website. So it's cornucopias.io. And I recommend to create a player's account. They do have a marketplace sale coming out very soon. But guys, they are building an incredible game using Unreal Engine 5. So the scale of this game as well is just incredible. So I recently went to Vegas at Rare Evo and I got to play the game. It was awesome. But taking a look at the price, it's so cheap right now. Cornucopias being at 3 cents. You know, games that are at this caliber in a bull run, I think it could get to $2, $3, $4. So it's very possible. Again, I don't know what's going to happen for sure. But if you're looking at a metaverse bet, I think Cornucopias has the team. They've got just so much going on for them. And our final project that we're going to talk about is Nuvola Digital, NVL. And this one is only at a 15 mil market cap, somewhere around there. This project has done very well on the year. You're talking about something that was less than 10 cents not long ago, it feels. What was the low point? I believe it was much lower because this project hasn't been around for that long. But guys, NVL, this is your D-pin aggregator. Basically, what you can do is pick up some NVL tokens, stake it to the protocol, and earn rewards. And the way this works is that NVL they help facilitate, they run different nodes. So they run operations, both the hardware and side of things, and they help alleviate some of the stress for projects. So for example, if you're building a game like Cornucopias, which they have a partnership with, they run the nodes for them and the team doesn't have to worry about that. So what you can do is pick up the NVL token and stake it to the platform. So what we're going to do here, if you guys want, you can do it as well. Head over to the Crypto Moose link tree. I got it pinned down below. If you go under staking, we got different options, but we're going to click on the NVL, Nuvola Digital Staking. So this platform is going to look even better here in the short term. So if I head over to one of my hot wallets, so we'll switch this up. And what's cool about NVL, I do have some being staked here. What you can do is create a new stake. I've got tutorials on this, but as you can see here, you can earn passive rewards holding their tokens. So it does save you on a lot of time and effort. So those are my top 5 picks. Guys, head over to the link tree. If you want to protect your assets, you guys can save 10% off using code Moose. You guys can also pre-order your Tantrum ring, and I've got mine on right now. I love it. So it's really cool using the ring to sign transactions. So guys, comment down below. What are your top 5 altcoins that you are picking up this month? That being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.